Let's talk about asparagus. More specifically, let's talk about what happens roughly 30 minutes after you eat asparagus, when you go to the bathroom and are personally attacked by your own body. Yeah. That smell. Let's explain it. Asparagus contains a chemical with the fantastic name asparagusic acid. Your body can't just let that sit there, so it breaks it down, and in the process, it produces a little family of sulfur compounds. The main culprit is one called methanethiol, which is also found in farts and rotting cabbage. Delightful. These compounds are volatile, which is a science word for, they evaporate fast and go straight up your nose. They're so volatile they show up in your pee in as little as 15 minutes. That is faster than most food delivery. So that's the smell. Sulfur. Chemistry. Your body doing its job a little too enthusiastically. But here is where it gets weird. And where it gets personal. Not everyone can smell it. There's a real thing called asparagus anosmia. Anosmia means, can't smell. And some people are completely, blissfully unable to detect asparagus pee. To them, nothing happens. They think the rest of us are making it up. And it's genetic. There's a tiny variation in your DNA, near the cluster of genes that build your smell receptors. One version, and you are cursed with the knowledge. The other version, and you live in a beautiful, odorless paradise. Studies have found that, depending on where you are in the world, anywhere from 25% to 40% of people simply cannot smell it. Nearly everyone makes the smell. Only some of us can actually tell. So somewhere out there, right now, two people are eating dinner together. One stands up, walks to the bathroom, and recoils in horror. The other has eaten asparagus their entire life and has no idea any of this is happening. Same dinner. Different reality. Separated by a single letter in their DNA. So tonight, here's a fun little experiment. Eat some asparagus. Wait. And find out which one you are. And if you just learned something you'll now think about every single time you eat asparagus, forever, subscribe. A new one every week. The answers you didn't know you needed.